and parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Ready to go. We're coming. Make the ocean take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Rigor check into the dawn. At station time to fight them all. The 82nd way. Hey, hey! Put on your boots and parachute.
All right, up next on Have a Knife Day, we have Edison. Edison, tell me more about yourself, about your knife.
Okay, so what I have now is my passion, pretty much. I just started making knives around 8 years ago, and I'm just it's been a blast.
And you're prolific.
Yes.
So let's take a look at this beauty.
So this one is a Buster lock, and then the Buster lock is connected to the back spacer, so the scale wraps around the material. Hidden hardware construction, and avocado finish on the finish, and then silk glass titanium.
That's beautiful. And that opened like butter.
Yeah.
Just like butter. That is
Doesn't have no
gorgeous.
pivot or anything. It's just hidden construction.
That
So
is
you want it for
fantastic.
9,000? Okay.
And over here we have insert of mango wood, right?
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ online
And then it had some speed holes. So I just internated the
ਮੈਂ
insert.
ਕਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 10,000 ਹੀ ਹੈ
That's an insert lock. And it has front flipper. And it has tonsils. Open.
ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ 9,000 ਦੀ ਪਾ ਦਈਏ ਭਾਜੀ
How, and once again, that just,
This one with the blue mango.
oh, that's blue mango.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
This one is insert lock. That's another design. And it has Damascus blade, tonsils.
That's beautiful.
Of course. And this one is different. This one, the back spacer is the lock.
Wow.
What's going on? Good sir, how are you? And it has the texture. Yeah. The texture. And then, so the back spacer and the lock is the same piece.
Wow, that is incredible.
It starts as a one solid piece of titanium, they mill it out and to fit everything in parts.
You know, the one thing I always got me about titanium, once upon a time it was only military, and now we're making knives out of it. So tell me about, that's a forklift, isn't it? Kind of. And there you go. So if you ever want to come over and check out Edison's knives, please come over and check them out. And as always, have a nice day.
Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Rigor check into the dawn. At station time to fight them all.